Hi, this is Cindy Briggs with Make Every Day a Painting, and here comes Theresa. We've been painting in Europe. Yes. Oh, bonjour.
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 Hi, good afternoon. This is Theresa Goesling and Cindy Briggs.
And we have a company called Make Every Day a Painting, and we take people all over the world to paint in their journals.
You can paint lavender fields.
Or paint like Van Gogh.
I love that one. That's so fun.
It was a fun day.
We spent the day in the mausoleum there, painting where he painted.
Yeah.
We can paint the hilltop towns
Or just a window. So we make it fun and simple. Our groups become close and very good friends by the end of the week. You can also do these quick sketch paintings where you just draw with flowing lines and paint quickly with flowing colors.
There's my Van Gogh.
Yeah, so this is what our watercolor journals look like. And our students do such beautiful work during the time that they travel with us.
Here's a village we painted at Sur-le-Sor. So just come with us. You can you can be a beginner. You can be the first time at watercolor.
Yeah,
Or you can be
mine.
even a more advanced painter. We help everyone individually. That's why it's nice that we traveled with two of us to these European and USA excursions. So you can find us on our website at makeeverydayapainting.com.
Also, I just wanted to share, we'll paint at the same location, but we do different views and some different styles. So while we use the same palette, you get different outcomes, and everybody's style develops over the weeks. So it's something to really see and experience.
In this painting, we're discovering water, how to do water, and colorful shadows and light.
And in Teresa's, you've got the waterfall going in town, and you get to see the sparkle of light in her water and then the waves coming through, and I love the glow in her shadows. So with two of us, you get twice as much information and twice as much help.
Yeah, you can sit by us and you can just paint along. Thank you for joining us, and let's make every day a painting day.
With Cindy Briggs
and Theresa Goesling. Thank you.
Thanks. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
See, that was good. Let's just